Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take creatine with carbohydrates. To start, consider a loading phase. For the first 5 to 7 days, take 20 grams of creatine daily, divided into 4 5-gram servings. Mix each serving with 70 to 100 grams of fast-acting carbohydrates. This helps saturate your muscles quickly. Think about using fruit juice, dextrose, or even white rice as your carb source. After your loading phase, transition to a maintenance dose. Take 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily. It's often best to consume this dose immediately after your workout, paired with your chosen carbohydrates. This timing helps with absorption and muscle recovery. Maintaining a consistent daily intake is key to keeping your muscle creatine stores saturated and maximizing the benefits over time. When taking creatine, remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay well hydrated. This is important for overall health and creatine effectiveness. Focus on high glycemic index carbohydrates, like fruit juice or sports drinks, as they help shuttle creatine into your muscles more efficiently. Remember, consistency is vital. Take your creatine every day, even on rest days, for the best outcomes. To further optimize your creatine intake, you can be flexible with timing, taking it either before or after your workout, always with carbs. This powerful supplement significantly enhances strength, power output, and aids in faster muscle recovery. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. For a fantastic way to keep your water intake up, check out the link in the description for an Owala water bottle, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.